Look at this. Xbox is putting out Easter colored controllers.
Yeah.
That's really
The
what it looks
spring
like. That's
collection.
really what it looks like to me. And I agree that these colors are satisfying, which is the same thing that the top comment says there. Those colors are actually very satisfying. You have some tones here, like a very light baby blue. They're pastels is what they would be.
Yeah, some have patterns very subtly.
Cloudy.
Some have gradients.
Yeah. What's your favorite out of that bunch there? Which
I'll
one would
stick
you-
with the, oh gosh. I was thinking either the baby blue
Yeah.
or the gradient baby blue to pink.
Interesting.
They all look pretty nice.
Yeah. I might take the cloudy one there.
Yeah.
The other one in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
I don't know. It's like a cloud
Looks
camo.
like camo.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
cloudy camo. Next gen controllers with this season's flair. Pick your controller from the Designed for Xbox Spring collection, and featuring Power A Gaming, Otterbox, and 8BitDo. So they teamed up with some of their partners on this collection, and I think they'll sell a couple of these. I don't mind.
They look friendly.
Accessories. Augustine Aguavon names Nigeria squad for Black Stars game, 138 games, 55 goals. Check out the record of Nigeria's 6 strikers.
Was this your story?
No,
Oh, maybe it's Mo's story.
this is Mo.
Or maybe Vin's story.
Mo likes the,
I don't know.
or have we been hacked? I don't know.
Maybe.
Our Slack has been hacked.
We can talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, we
guess.
might as well find out now.
With our lack of...
The interim coach named 4 strikers as part of his 27-man squad. The 4 Ghanaian strikers combined have scored just 8 goals in 81 appearances. Super Eagles head coach, on the other hand, invited 6 strikers in his 25-man squad for the qualifiers. And these guys have more goals, I guess. I don't know what to say about this.
Me neither.
I think it's pretty cool. But I don't follow this that closely, so I'm not sure the context. But it looks like they'll have a good team, right, Will?
I guess so. Seems like it.
I like that last one. Go back to the last one. Ahmed Musa, no goal.
No goal.
No goal. No, he doesn't. Maybe he plays defense. No goal for him.
He's the goalie?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Better be careful there, Will. You might get these things wrong.
Yeah.
The super fans will come for you.